What is up guys, Luvotek back in the channel, and today I'll be showing y'all a new feature on Discord that allows you to screen share your PC screen on your Discord server. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so before we begin this video, I recommend all of you update your Discord application to the latest version so that y'all will be having this version ready-made. So with that being said, what we can do now is go ahead to a voice channel right here. So I'm going to click on mic talk right here, and once I'm connected to that, you will see a monitor icon here which says go live. Tap on that and you will have a range of options, which is application and streams. So applications basically only stream the particular application on your PC. So suppose, let's say I have Photoshop here. Now Discord is also going to show me that I can stream Photoshop. Alright, so that is only for that application, and anything done outside that application will not be streamed. So now there's also the screen option, which will broadcast your entire screen, what you're doing in real time. So even if I switch between applications, it will show everything that I'm doing, even on my Windows screen. Alright, so suppose let's say I select on screen, and the next option is the streaming channel option, which will show the channel in which you're streaming. So I am streaming on my voice channel, which is called mic talk. So everyone who connects to this channel will be able to see the live stream. So now I tap on go live, and you can see there's a small window here that shows everything that's happening on your screen. Now the next option is you can go ahead to settings, and you can also alter the quality and frame rate of your stream. So as you can see, to unlock the higher options, you will be needing Nitro. So once you boost your server with Nitro, those options will also be unlocked. Alright, so that's basically it. There's also the invite option to invite your friends to check out your live stream, and to end your stream you can just click on the stop streaming icon. Alright, so I hope you understood this really comprehensive tutorial. If you have any doubts, let me know down below in the comment section. Hope you like this video, and with that being said, see you guys.